The 8 planets in the solar system are a big topic, so we can divide them into inner and outer solar systems. The inner 4 planets are close to the Sun and consist of Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They are smaller and mainly formed of metals and rocks with high density. Now, we will discuss the first 4 planets one by one. Number 1, Mercury planet. It is the closest planet to the Sun and hard to see. It has no atmosphere, and it is covered with craters. The day temperature on Mercury can reach up to 430 degrees Celsius, while nighttime temperatures can drop to minus 170 degrees Celsius. It has the shortest year, 88 days, because it is closer to the Sun. The mass of Mercury is 0.06 times the mass of Earth. It is only slightly larger than Earth's moon in size. Mercury's surface is heavily cratered, resembling Earth's moon. The first spacecraft to visit Mercury was NASA's Mariner 10, which imaged roughly 45% of the planet's surface during its flybys in the mid-1970s. Later, NASA's Messenger mission orbited Mercury from 2011 until it crashed into the surface in 2015 after collecting data. Presently, Bepi-Colombo, a joint mission by the European Space Agency and JAXA, is traveling to study Mercury further. Number 2, Venus planet. Venus is the second closest planet to the Sun. It is often referred to as Earth's twin due to its similar size and structure. The size of Venus is about the same as Earth, 0.8 times the mass of Earth. Venus is the brightest object in the sky next to the Sun and Moon. It is covered in toxic clouds made of sulfuric acid, with an atmosphere of carbon dioxide, 97%. It is sometimes called the evening star and the morning star, even though it is a planet. It can be seen easily before and after sunrise from the Earth. It appears as a white disk. It is covered by clouds of water droplets. It is the hottest planet in our solar system, with surface temperatures that can reach up to 475 degrees Celsius. Venus's surface features include vast volcanic plains, mountains, and numerous volcanoes. Venus rotates opposite to most planets in our solar system, so the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east on Venus. Venus suffers from an extreme greenhouse effect. Venus takes 225 Earth days to orbit the Sunday number 3 Earth planet. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. The Earth is the only planet with water, oxygen, and living organisms. From the space, it appears mainly blue and white. Its atmosphere is composed mainly of nitrogen, 80%, and oxygen, with some water vapors, carbon dioxide, and other gases. It completes 1 year in 365 days and has a radius of 6,371 kilometers, 6.4 times 106 m. The Earth rotates around the Sun at about 107,000 kilometers per hour. The Earth is not a perfect sphere. Its actual shape is a flattened sphere, or an oblate spheroid, meaning it's flat on the poles. The Earth is the densest planet in the solar system. Earth has a powerful magnetic field and has only one moon. Number 4, Mars planet. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun and the second smallest in the solar system after Mercury. Mars, often called the Red Planet, is a cold of red rocks with huge mountains and valleys. It has a very thin atmosphere, which is mainly composed of carbon dioxide, about 95%, with traces of nitrogen and argon. It has 2 small moons named Phobos and Deimos. Mars has a thin atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide. The mass of Mars is about 0.11 times the mass of Earth. Mars is approximately half the diameter of the Earth. Its surface features include vast plains, canyons, volcanoes, and polar ice caps. It has extreme temperature variations, ranging from about minus 125 degrees Celsius at the poles during winter to 20 degrees Celsius in equatorial regions during summer. A year on Mars takes about 687 Earth days. Due to its longer orbital path around the Sun, Mars experiences seasons similar to Earth because its axial tilt is approximately 25 degrees.